He got it too. It has, no, you.
Oh.
It has these from something we ate. They're not sick, none of them.
Jacks.
I'm not eating out no more.
I'm not eating Jacks. Okay, so that makes two places. Burger King and Jacks. None.
I swear. And that guy was
Eric
coughing
was right.
in there. The guy was coughing in there yesterday, remember I told you?
Yeah,
That
absolutely.
stupid freaking ass.
Yeah.
There was somebody back in Jackson, Jackson,
Oh.
and there's like a little space in the back where you can sit, and he's coughing back there.
Yep.
He was probably coughing right now. I'm telling you, you can't eat out anymore. I'm telling you, it's food. Because they're not sick. Spencer's not sick. He ate the cake.
Was in the Jacks. All shit. I kid you not. It's not laying on my computer.
Well, it's because you ate it. That was what I said. I ate the cake.
I didn't even around what? It never died.
No.
It just sat there.
Well, yeah, and you had another piece on top of what you had. You better take a shower or I'll spray my room. Spray my room, please. No. It's over here. Where are you going? That one's empty now. Let's throw it out. Spray the bathroom and my room. Don't just go, just spray it. Put your fingers on it and switch it around there. All over. Just don't spray one spray. Spray that tail. Oh, no, I'm trying. Spray it. Just go back and forth all over. Don't soak it. Is the toilet bowl clean in there or what? Is the toilet bowl clean and everything in there? It goes waste on the counter. Yeah, because I keep canister on the counter to take the rice and wipe it. They're in there too. Why you gotta come in here? What the hell is wrong with you? They're in both bathrooms. So people can clean up if they make a mess. No, this is not. This is actually fun. Oh no, you better take a shower. You change your fucking clothes. Hello. Hello. If there's any puke anyway, you better wipe it up. What? Yeah, I know. Sometimes it spits all over the place. So. I'm sorry, you're sick. I know it's really good. You know your mom went to these fucking people in there. Oh my God, guys. Just jumping around. Oh my God. I'll never forget you. Such a stupid world. Shit. What are you doing? You still smoking? I wouldn't move around a lot. It will start up again. Because I said whatever you stuck around. It felt like shit again.